Hi, thanks for checking out our video. What this is going to be, this is a warranty repair, I think, on a unit that we repaired about a month ago. I was looking it up and put a new board in it and everything, and working fine. We left here, but they sent it back, so not done work. So I pulled out of the box it was in, but I hadn't plugged it in yet. So I'm like, what the hell? Rarely do we ever get a warranty repair, a repair warranty that we've done. That's weird. Huh. Well, hopefully we'll find out real quick if it's something that we messed up on or something happened to it. Let's pull the screws out of this. Wrong bit, not that one. Oh, where the hell's the tool at for this one? I think it's this one. Yep. All right. We don't get too many repeats where we work on it once and and it comes back in, so unless they put it somewhere where it wasn't supposed to be, maybe got water inside of it. I don't know. Or maybe lightning got it. I don't know. Well, looks pretty darn good. Let's check this capacitor, 15 microfarad. Let's see what it reads. $15. Well, maybe the transfer got short in it or something. I don't know. This looks to be original. No, not original. Old, but not original. Come on, get on there. All right, let's plug it back in. What the hell happened to that board? It's brand new. The capacitor is definitely good. It's charging up. When you discharge it, resistor, it feeds back into that bulb and shows it's got a hell of a charge built up in it. What the hell happened to the board? Man, it looks pristine. Well, did the diode go bad or something? They all look good. They don't go bad that often on these newer style boards. Let's check them out. So those two big ones right there on those little things. Well, the diodes are good. What the hell happened to it? Check the big resistor. 32 ohms, 5 watts. So 32 ohms. That's good. The little MOV looks intact. Looks like it's fine. Huh. Check these little SERs. Triacs, where the hell they are. That might be bad. I don't know what the hell happened to it. Set it to the side. Find me another board. Put this board in there. It's an old style board, but I think it's good. We'll put this transformer back on there. Comes back again in a month or so or whatever, and it's the same type of problem. They've got something on there and causing this. This isn't like a malfunction of a crappy part or whatever. All right, let's plug it in and look at the front of it. We'll test her at. .8 kV. Transformer's good. Well, we're gonna box this back up and send it to the back to customer, no charge. Don't know what happened to that board. It ain't working right, so I'm gonna have to send this board back for a credit or a replacement for at no charge from Gallagher, since we just bought the board about a month ago. So, but anyways, that's, you know, it sometimes happens where, you know, you work on a unit, fix it for somebody, and something happens to it and it goes down. And but there's our information right there. But we have 1.5 year warranties on things, so that's what we do, you know. So if something happens, as long as it's not something that was out of the norm from its own doing, you know, we'll stand behind it and we're working on a charge for you on whatever repairs that we did last time goes bad. But anyways, that's it for this video. We're going to stop it right here, and we'll call the customer. I'm going to call them. It's a box up, ship back to them, no charge. But in the meantime, see you later.